Okay, so if you have this model, 10-year smoke alarm, this model, I seen a video of this dude opening up the whole thing to take out the battery. I was trying to figure out for weeks what that tab was. It's the tab that's sitting here before you're able to twist this fully to go this way. So I got one hand, but this piece, this piece was here. I got this little baby flathead pushed here, broke the seal. It kind of looks like this one on this side, and then I was able to twist it fully to disable this battery that's inside, because it says break tab, rotate, dispose. Yay! So if anybody else has this problem, and this is not even old, look, it's from 2022, and it was going off, and I took it to the fire department. They could not figure it out, so they just said disable the darn thing and buy another one. So yay. Okay, I hope this helps somebody.